Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Lisa with an E, and today I'm just going to show you how I embellished this canvas art my sister-in-law got from Dee Dee's. It's a store that I guess is kind of like Ross or TJ Maxx. But anyway, they sell these canvas paintings, and I thought they were very pretty and very elegant. But I thought I would add a little sparkle to them by adding some gems and giving them a 3D look. So I kind of laid out the gems how I thought I would like to see them on the canvas art. And then I glued them down with the glue from the Dollar Tree. I think it's adhesive glue. And I just took each one of them and just added them to the canvas art. And as you can see, this is how they turned out. Just something simple and easy to add just a little bit more bling, a little bit more oomph to something that didn't cost very much and actually didn't cost very much to add. These are gems I got from Michael's. You can kind of pick them up anywhere at any craft store, and I got them on a discount because I used a coupon and it was already another discount going on, so I think it cost me less than $3 for a whole box. But this is how they turned out, and I really like it. And I'm sure you could do this with any art just to add a 3D dimension. So, thanks for watching. Toodles!